Alright guys, welcome back to High Universal Court. Welcome back today. Like I should always do, what I normally do. First and foremost, you have to look at the hair, the way the hair texture is. You comb it if it's necessary. You comb it to know how the hair grows. So as you can see this hair now, you can see that this is Afro, right? In Nigeria we call it Afro round cut. So normally some people don't like the side to be skin. Some people just want it to be low cut. That's why you have to brush it thoroughly to know how the blend is going to go. You understand, guys? So look at what I'm doing. This is the primary thing first. You have to brush it down to know how you are going to blend it. After brushing it down, the next thing you need to do is to pick up your clipper. I've done the sterilization as well. So I've sterilized the clipper. You know what I normally do. So the first guideline is going to be what? It's going to be skin. Now I'm going to do it in a practical way. I've changed my method of teaching. Now the first guideline from here, okay, let me use this side. From here to here is going to be skin. From here to here is going to be skin. Some people, if it not do the guideline, the first guideline very well, it's going to make the hair to go up. You can see this hair now. This hair is it went up. Can you see? It's not supposed to be so. This hair is supposed to stop here. But maybe at the process of blending it, maybe the person that did it, you understand what I'm saying? So but you are going to follow it the way it is. So the first guideline is going to be skin as usual. From here to here is going to be skin. From here to here it's going to be open blade, low cut. You are going to open the blade. After here we are not going to make it to go inside. We are going to correct it, you get. So we are not going to make it to go inside. So from here to here is going to be step one, which will give us the final blending. Understand, guys? So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Now I've set my clipper on blade level. Look at it now. You open the blade, you close it. After that, you put on your clipper. Follow it accordingly. We normally make mistake. When you are creating the first guideline, take it slowly. Follow it accordingly, so that as you are blending it, it will not go up and it will not go inside. Watch what I'm doing. You see the way I'm carrying it. The mistake most of us normally do is, when you are creating the first guideline, don't start like this. Don't start skinning it like this. First carry it up, because if you start like this, it's going to weaken the blade. So first raise your hand upward, carry it up. After that, then you can now skin it. Watch how my hand is moving. Hope you are getting it right. Don't forget, if today is your first time seeing my video, you are coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, invite others. Don't be stingy. Let other people to benefit from it too. We are here to learn. No one is an island. No one knows it all. Don't die with what you know. That little thing that you call nothing, it might be something big to someone else. Watch what I'm doing, right? You see that my hand is moving. Now I've created the first guideline, which is skin. And don't forget, once you have a new client and you came with hair like this, don't just start giving him the first guideline to the skin. Ask him first, because some people may want to change the hairstyle. You understand? Alright. So don't forget to subscribe, oh. Don't forget to share. Let others to benefit from it. After the first guideline, I told us that from here to here is going to be low cut. You are going to open the blade. Follow it accordingly. Barber is all about patience. Take your time. Don't use because of the money that you want to collect from a client, you start rushing. No, take your time. So starting from here to here now is going to be low cut. What you are going to do, you see, it's on screen, right? You bring the gel down, you open it. This is the second guideline we're creating now. You follow it, don't let it to pass. I'm doing this, I'm doing the practical way that even a nursing school student will understand what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. This is the second guideline. Follow it very well. Don't rush it, take your time. See the way I'm doing it. I'm not yet done, but as you can see, the blending is coming out already, right? Take your time. Watch what I'm doing. See the way my hand is moving. I told you in my previous video that once you know how to handle your clipper, how to control your hand, how to move your hand, you are good to go. Barbing is all about patience, calculation, and it's very, very sweet. Whoever that tells you that barbing is difficult, the person don't want you to grow. Barbing is very, very simple. Once you have the zeal, you understand, don't do what maybe other people are doing. If you have passion for it, it's very, very sweet. You'll be doing as if you are just wearing your clothes, you get. So this is the second guideline. Now look closely from the second guideline to the first guideline. There is a line here, right? You have to clean it up. That is why you see some hair, you see some hair cut on the internet. You be like, wow, this barber is too good, and how did they remove the line? This is what I'm going to do now. You know, I'm doing it practical because of learning purpose. Shey you get. So what you are going to do now, I told you guys that the more you are barbing, the more you are discovering things. Before, normally if I want to clean up this line, I normally put it on skin. I notice that if you put it on skin, if you are not professional enough, the line will still be there. It will still creating another line. So what you're going to do is put it on the middle, in between skin and low cut. Look at it. This is local, right? I bring the gel down fully. This is local, right? This is skin, right? Now put it in the middle, in between. Understand? So that it will not create another line. Watch what I'm doing now. I've set it in between. This is it. So you remove the line. Don't rush it. Take your time. Don't rush it because of you want to quickly do it and get out. No, take your time and do it. Barbing is very, very sweet. You see what I'm doing? Watch. There is something I'm doing here that you're supposed to ask questions. You see the way I'm doing it? Sometimes I do use the edge, sometimes I use the full blade, right? Now, if you're a beginner, you can use the edge. Like what edge can do for me, the middle can do because I know what I'm doing. You understand? So as time goes by, the more you are barbing, the more you are discovering a lot of things. Now, after you have done this finish, the next thing you need to do is to put it on skin now. Put it on skin and use it to. It's like after you wash your clothes finish, you rinse it, right? After that is what I'm doing now. So that it will be very, very smooth. This is the second guideline. After that, you can still put it on low cut to still retouch the second guideline that you created. Look at it. See what I'm doing. So guys, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up. It will indicate to YouTube that we are truly doing something very educational. Understand? So that they will push our videos to wider audience, so that other people can come and learn as you are learning as well. So the third guideline that we are going to do now, we are going to put what? Step 1. This is step 1. Normally, you know what I normally tell you about it. Once you put your blade, you can see that it's still on what? It's still on low cut. But now, see what you're going to do. You put it on skin. Carry the gel up. But once you are blending, once you are tying it up, don't over flip it. Don't over flip it like this. It will go inside. Take your time, have patience, be taking it accordingly, slow and steady. After this, you put it on low cut, you open it, you close it, you open it. This is low cut. See the way I'm doing it now. See the way I'm flipping it. Small, small. Don't overdo it. Don't rush it. Watch the way my hand is moving. You can see it, right? Then after that, the next thing you need to do is to hold your clipper like this to blend it down. Hope you are learning something. To blend it down. You know, the way you barb a white man's hair is different from the way you barb a black man's hair. Understand? So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Invite your friend, let them come and benefit. You see the way I'm brushing it down? I'm blending it down. See, I'm not going inside. Watch what I'm doing. You can see it, right? And make sure you are brushing down the hair to know how the blending is going. Understand, guys? Make sure you are brushing the hair to know how the blending is going. So barbing is very, very sweet once you know what you are doing. After that, you take your time. It's like when you sew cloth finish, you do the final touches, look where the thread did not go well. That is what I'm doing now. Calm down and blend it. Take your time. So once you know the process, the basis, you are good to go.